tap out with your fingertips, just like you did with the pencil, with the liner. You know,
I'm gonna go with trust your gut today, just because that's what I feel. I might
don't trust your gut and go with it.
Yeah, exactly. And also, I like when it's a little bit lighter in the center.
Yeah. That's what I was saying too. I mean, if you want to add that shiny, I put it on today. I was like, oh my God, I forgot how obsessed I was with this color. Because we shot this commercial, Shine Compulsion, like definitely over a year ago. The matting crayons are newer products.
That was a funny day. Shine Compulsion day.
Did you want to talk about it? I was going to say, that was definitely one of the most wild commercials that we ever shot, you and Jordan. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, it was hilarious.
Because the concept was like, the compulsion of like, you love your lips and they're so major that you like love yourself so much and like you're so into yourself. So it was just like us like going crazy in the mirror.
Looking at yourself.
And I can't remember which model it was, but someone like at the end of a scene before, like after they yelled cut, they just kept going crazy, and they had like, and they put so much like lipstick on, it was all over their face, but it was like the end of the day.
I was like, is this actually going to be released in a commercial? But I don't think it ever came out, but it looked crazy. It was so funny. I think it was Ewa.
Wait, so Ewa, she's so funny. I love her. Okay, so yeah, I use Trust Your Gut, and I like to do a base of a super stay, because even then, if you want to put like a Shine Compulsion on top of it, and that like, let's say like fades a little bit, at least you have like the base color that's like there, and it really goes for it. So, and also recently I've been more into, I never thought I would say it.
What, say it?
The shinier lips. Like I was like such a nude lip person, and recently I have really liked a shinier lipstick and or a little bit of a gloss, which Erin knows is like in the past glosses made me very claustrophobic.
It was the way I did it on you. I think you did, like, because I would like pour the gloss on. You're like,
right, because sometimes for photo shoots they have to put so much gloss on so like that you can really see the shine for the picture, but like it's so like ooey gooey that you feel like you're melting into the lip gloss.
Well, this is good if you put the lipstick on. It gives a shine, but it's not like so wet like a lip gloss is.
So,
see? Isn't that nice? Just in the center, a little, and you can do a little tap out. Geez, your makeup looks great. You look so pretty, and I love this look. I definitely want to see you glow up the skin for the final.
So that's Baddest Beige, right? Yeah, Baddest Beige in the Shine Compulsion, and Trust Your Gut.
I actually,
the lip liners I used were Nude Whisper and
Magnetic Moth. Magnetic Moth.
Oh yeah, sorry, I grabbed the wrong one. And Magnetic Moth.
You guys, what you're witnessing right now is like me and Gigi, how we would normally be, just us two hanging out.
Yeah, sorry if like we are just talking stuff. Well, okay, so now this is like, everyone knows that one of my all-time favorite Maybelline products is the Master Strobe stick.
And that's what I was wondering. Do you want to do that or Master Chrome? Because Master Chrome is like the wow, hit 'em with it.
Okay, well, what I was going to say is that I like to do a cream highlighter first and then go over it with the Master Chrome.
Yeah.
I don't know if that makes a difference, but it makes me feel like it has something to stick to.
Huge difference, because I mean, Master Chrome doesn't really need it, but if you do the highlighter with the cream first, the Master Strobing stick, it gives a nice glisten to the skin, and then where you feel you want to pump it up a bit, you can go in like the Master Chrome. But go for it.
I'm gonna go with the medium nude glow.
Okay.
And this is how Erin does it. Like, some people like just draw on, but Erin.
Wait a second. I did do that to you one time. You're like, ow, what are you doing? Like, you're so used to me tapping out with my finger, and I was like, whoosh. Sometimes I just want to, like, put on a design.
I think, like, Both works. It's not like it won't blend out if you do that. But
yeah, but I do think that the way that you're doing it is a better technique, because if you put it on straight from the stick, sometimes, you know, doing that with any stick can wipe away your foundation. Whereas doing like this, you're patting it on, so you're keeping all that coverage underneath. Yeah, that's beyond. You see, like, this is what we're talking about too, guys, that like snatching the nose technique. You start with that little highlight, you contour, she used the bronzer to contour, and then you add the highlighter, and suddenly your nose is like, pinched. It's super simple. Let me see too if there's any more comments or questions.
And then I take the highlighter like up to there a little bit. So it's kind of like a boomerang.
Yeah.
Right?
Wait. I gotta tap to take the comments down. Sorry.
And then also, I don't know if you taught me this too, right above the brow.
I see a lot of people do that more so, and I love that you hit that little. Someone asked fave eyeshadow. My personal favorite is the Nudes in New York palette. I just think it's like, I love that. It's just like so pigmented, and I dropped mine. Oh, she's okay. But it's so pigmented, and it's just warm, and they have taupes in there, and I just feel like your everyday shadow. Yeah.
Okay, then also I'm going to go
onto your brow bone.
Here.
Will you do inner corner of eye too? I guess you could if you want to really gleam.
Why not?
Do it. I don't even have a tiny brush. You could do it like that, or
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Sometimes my finger scares me to.
It could just get a little large in there, but it's not totally necessary. But it just, when you guys want to give yourself glow everywhere.
Damn.
All these points she's hitting. Mm-hmm.
Also, go right there. And also, Erin does here.
Yeah. You do a little, and then just like tap it out so you bring your lip back up. That is so pretty.
Sometimes she does the chin and I get mad at her for it, but I'm going to do it right now.
You never get mad at me. Like, you're like, can you put a little powder on my chin? She's all like shiny. Hey, listen, I like to see you. You're glowing like a star. You think you're going to do the Master Chrome on top too? This is getting some shine. I mean, if you do it.
I'm going to take this little brush and just put it on.
Also, I put on my list that you could do rose gold, molten rose gold. But I want to see which one that you either have or which one that you like.
I have the rose gold and I have the molten gold.
Dude, your skin looks so freaking pretty. You can't see what I'm seeing because every time you turn down to look into your mirror, I see all the, yeah, exactly, like the side of your face when you're turning. It's just beautiful. Really.
Okay, so now I'm going to go.
Yeah.
I guess I'll do the rose gold today just because I'm wearing a little rose gold shirt.
Mm-hmm. But I'm curious. I'm tread lightly. You're going to be beaming. This stuff is no joke. Let's see.
Joke. Out here.
It's amazing.
Okay, what?
So you guys, she's going to use Master Chrome for, I think, the finale. And you can probably even use that brush you're using for your bronzer. I'm not sure, but it looked kind of small enough. I mean, if you see what I see, your skin is already glowing, so you definitely don't need too much.
Okay, y'all.
Ready? Bam. Oh, you see what I mean? Bam. Like, this is a thing. You guys want super glowing skin, the technique that she just showed you. Putting on a cream
Can you
first.
see that?
Holy moly. That is so pretty. I like swing. Wow, that looks amazing. Let us see. Or, wait, you have to move your head away from the comments. Yeah, there we go. You turn, Oh, bam, there it was. I'm directing you now. Are you gonna take a selfie of your look after? I don't know if you do a little video or a picture. I want to see it in like a perfect lighting.
And I'm gonna take this brush again.
I love, like, you do all of this. You do it so well. You've been such a good teacher for everybody. I've been just chilling and watching this. It's like the perfect natural. Yes, get that Cupid's bow. Are you guys loving the look? What does everybody think? I want to see. That highlight, oh my God, yes, someone said. Yes, honey. The highlighter is no joke. I'm sure that this is like one of the #1 products they have because it's sickening. It's so pretty. Now, what else, judging? Do you think that you need to add anything else? I mean, you look gorgeous. I
feel really good. I wish I had somewhere to go. My man's is going to be like,
who that?
You know what's so funny is that I don't think that he, like, obviously, when I walk in from work, can be like, oh, that's an Erin look, or that's like a Patrick look, or whatever. Yeah. But he does really love, like, he...
Tell me.
How do I say it? Like, he reacts the most excited when Erin does my makeup without knowing. Like, he'll be like, wow, you look amazing. And it's... I mean...
Maybe I think I have this knack for, like, trying... I don't necessarily try. I can't help it to do, like, kind of ultra sexy sometimes.
Right.
I don't know why that is. I mean,
it's so funny. Like, and I'll be like, it's the Erin look.
So
you're his favorite makeup artist without...
Really? Oh, well, you know what I
don't even know if he knows that, but I know.
I like what I do sometimes when I'm like, what do you think, Z? Does it look good? Just in case I can't sell you on it. And he says yes, and I'm like, sold, I won.
Although I don't think he's ever like, no.
No, he's never said no. I don't think he would ever be mean like that. Well, gee, I think we made it through. And if anybody, like, you guys stuck through with us, that was so awesome. I mean, she looks like a glowing, gorgeous goddess.
Thanks, Parsons.
That was really fun.
Thanks, Maybelline fans.
Thank you, Maybelline, for like letting us do this together because I haven't got to do Gigi's makeup in so long. So this was like the second best way for me to work with you.
Virtual makeup, y'all.
I love
it. It was fun.
I guess I'll say goodbye and we gotta look forward to seeing a picture of this. Aww. Well, you can call me anytime.
Thanks, honey.
You look major. Should we give some model poses to the children? Show them how it's done. I got tap to get rid of to drop off the cup.
I can't take myself seriously when I do this, but this is what I do for Erin.
Yeah. She does this lip thing. I don't know how you do it. It's, oh, heaven. Wait, I should take a screenshot. Hold on. Hold that.
Okay, hold on. Tell me when.
Okay, I'm ready, but I look crazy. I'm really close. Oh, I'm covering up my own face. Ready? Oh, I look horrible, the picture. I'm going to have to just pause it. Okay, so you guys, we're going to put this on Instagram, IGTV on Maybelline.
So you can save it on Maybelline.
Yep, so if you missed anything in the beginning, you can watch it all the way through. Thank you for everybody who just stuck with us. That was like so much fun. I had such a great time. He's so cute. All right.
So someone just said, what products did you use? If you missed it, we're going to save it on the Maybelline account and you can go back to the products we used. But really quick, maybe I'll just say it really quickly. We used Dream Radiant Liquid. Then we used the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Then we used the Fit Me Loose Powder.
So good.
Sorry, it's open.
And you guys see, too, her skin's so glowing because she just used that powder where she needed it. I mean, your skin looks incredible.
Then we used City Bronzer, obviously.
City Bronzer.
Then we used Cheeky. I mixed Coral Ardent and Nude Burn.
I feel like there's names on, they're like French names on one side and like...
Oh, sorry. Coral Ember.
Yeah.
I was like, what's... The English name is Coral Ember.
Or Neutre en Flamme. Neutre
en Flamme.
For our French followers.
Then we used... Oh, I forgot to say, we used the Brow Ultra Slim and then the Brow Fast Sculpt.
That is our Brow Savior.
Then we used, what did we do after that?
Nudes of New York palette?
Oh yeah, Nudes of New York palette.
Mostly the color Creator was their main star of the show.
Yeah, we used Creator, we used Heroine, as the base, then Creator, and then I used a little mix of Creator and Self Starter for like under my eye, really light and thin. And then we used the Master Strobing Stick. First, I dabbed that on with the Master Crobe Rose Gold. After that, in the strobing stick, I used Medium Glow.
Yes.
And lips, we used...
I think that might have been a 4-product lip. We went in on this.
Yeah. I did Nude Whisper first, then I lined the outside with
Magnetic Mauve.
Then I did Trust Your Gut for the base, for the Super Stay base that will never ever leave your lips. And then I did the Shine Compulsion right in the middle to like pop that.
Baddest Beige. Give them one final pose.
Baddest Beige.
Bam, bam.
Was that everything?
I think that was everything. Falsies Lash Lift, mascara.
Oh yeah, Falsies Lash Lift mascara.
I love it.
Someone said just because you have a tattoo. I don't have any tattoos.
Well, we were going to do an eyeliner, but then I was like, child, you know what? We might be here all night. Like, we do that too, because that's where the things get hard. So here's the version. You're the natural of the drag version.
Honey.
Yes, I love it.
Okay, we love you, everyone.
Let me know what your man thinks about your gorgeous glow. And yeah, thanks everybody for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Give your final
Thank you, Parsons.
Thank you.
I love your glam room. It's major.
Oh,
okay.
Fun. Well, soon, hopefully.
Love y'all.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.